I'm all for Christmas, all the happy smiles and the wishes, and I want it all from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, we're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day. A Merry Christmas Day. Oh, yeah. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as we walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Yeah, a Merry Christmas Day. Dancing around the
More excited, me or you? Welcome to Vlogmas Day 1. It is a beautiful snowy day here today. The perfect day to start off Vlogmas Day 1. I actually am gonna head out. My mom has a doctor appointment this morning. A good thing that I have a 4-wheel drive Tahoe. I'm gonna pick her up and take her to the appointment. I'll show you guys the beautiful snow that we got this morning. It looks so festive and cozy. And then when we come home today, I don't even know what the day is gonna bring today, you guys. Normally on Vlogmas, I felt like I always had so many things planned, but it's a different world a little bit this year. But we're gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna make a lot of things from home. And the biggest goal for me is to film during the day, stop around dinner time, edit and get it out to you around 8-ish or so at night, depending on the day. So you guys will have real time footage of my day. So today is Tuesday, December 1st. And welcome again to Vlogmas Day 1.
Everyone's waiting for snow. Kids and
So you guys see I have my little stocking cap on. So when I come home, either I'm gonna wear it all day today, even in the house, or I'm gonna put some dry shampoo in so my hair doesn't look like hat head all day today. So here is my outfit. I just got a, you know, fun sweater on. I think this is from the Nordstrom anniversary sale, this down here. This was from our Be Style box in October of 2018, maybe? Gosh, I don't even know. What year is it? No, 2019. And then I got some leggings and some booties. So that's today's outfit.
This time tomorrow, the weatherman says it's a go, but look in the sky, I don't know. Santa, can you please make it snow tomorrow? 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow? Conditions are perfectly cold, so come on already.
Well, I'm rather early to pick up my mom, and she's like, honey girl, I'm not quite ready yet. I'm like, okay, Ma. So I'm actually in Walgreens parking lot. I'm trying to think, is there anything I need at Walgreens that I can run in and grab real quick? I also loaded up some Christmas decor for her. So today, since it is so snowy and festive, and it's December 1st, she can go ahead and decorate her beautiful place. And so I know she's excited for that too. And I think she's excited just to take a little ride around because, you know, she got out of the hospital on Thanksgiving Day. And basically they keep each person that lives at this beautiful place like quarantined after coming home from the hospital, just in the event that could have brought maybe COVID back. So there's 15 beautiful women there, and God knows we don't want to have anyone get sick. So I am home. I decided to take my hat off and put on a headband. So my hair does look a little flat, but I'm not going anywhere. I'm gonna be cooking today. I'm gonna make a kind of a minestrone, wintry kind of soup because it is wintry out today. My mom had a good appointment. It was just a follow-up checkup, and picked her up a few things at the grocery store while she sat in the car and listened to Christmas music. And then I got her a little lunch, and like just through a drive-through. I picked it up and just, you know, took it back with her. So now I'm home and I want to put my groceries away. I grabbed a few things like I said, and we're gonna make the soup here. I don't know, maybe I will get it started. Just let it simmer throughout the day a little bit. So I'm gonna get everything ready, and then we're gonna make some soup. I'm gonna put on some Christmas music. I might even make a little festive cup of Christmas flavored coffee and start making the soup.
Now look at the sky and give me just one reason why, Santa, you can make it snow tomorrow. 'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow?
About 2 months ago, and it came today, and you guys know how much I love Kathy Lee Gifford. This is her new book. It's called It's Never Too Late. You know, that's my motto too, you guys. It is never too late. I cannot wait to dive into this book. If any of you guys ordered it, let me know. We can read it together. I'm really excited about this. I'm adding more and more things to my reading list this Vlogmas season. Also, my 12 Wines of Christmas from QVC came. It's in a box, but I'm not gonna share it with you until the 12th day of December, because we're gonna open up that and enjoy the wine for the last 12 days of Vlogmas. All right, so let's go ahead, get this meal continued here. Smells really good in here. I'm thinking, I don't know, I maybe might make some ground meat on the side and add it to it to make it even more hearty. I don't know, we'll see.
'Cause for Christmas Day, everything should be white, all glistening and brightly aglow. For Christmas Day, Santa, won't you make it so I can make angels in the snow.
Breakfast for lunch. I've got cottage cheese and some yogurt and some peanut butter granola and some fresh berries. So I'm gonna eat this. I'm gonna have that cook for a bit. And then I think I'm going to brown up some ground meat and add that in, of course, along with my pasta. And I've got the cannelloni beans yet and some more Romano cheese, because I love a lot of Romano cheese in my soups. And then I just pulled this out. I forgot I even had this, you guys. This is the Scentsy. It's like a little, not a warmer, I guess. It's like a fan. You plug it into your laptop. I just pulled out very snowy spruce. It's gonna smell so good in here. So I'm gonna do some more. Actually, I'm gonna start editing so that I can keep editing throughout the day so I can get this out to you guys tonight by 8 p.m. So I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast lunch. And then as I add more to the soup, I'll share it with you. Oh, you guys, I wanted to share with you too. Remember this piece? It was an antique piece from my mom and dad, and Mark actually made it look a little bit vintagey. So look at how pretty this turned out. I'll try to put a before picture if you guys don't remember, and he even made the top match the top to my desk. Look at how perfect this looks, you guys. Looks so nice. Excuse like some of my mess in here, but look at how nice this all looks. Sorry about the lighting, hold on. There we go. We gotta figure out how to do these wires yet. Actually, if I can get someone here to actually put the cable and plug behind my TV, that would even be, that would be perfect. So wanted to share that with you. Look at how pretty it came out. I love it. I asked Mark, I said, do you want a little bit of ground meat to go in this delicious soup? He goes, you know me, I like a hearty soup. So I'm like, okay. So you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna add a little bit of crushed red pepper to give us a little bit of a zip. Now this is some hearty soup. I browned the ground meat, put a little bit of crushed red pepper. I drained the meat and added this in the cannelloni beans into the soup. I'm gonna let it actually simmer for quite a while. And then when we're ready to serve it, I'm gonna throw in some fresh spinach and let it get wilted. I'm gonna add the pasta and some more Pica Romano cheese. That looks.
You might think the weather's kinda cold, but you know you've got a hand to hold. Come along out and play. What a wonderful day. Your white cheeks are so hard to resist. Those red lips are long.
Guys, dinner looks so good. So we're gonna go ahead and eat dinner, and then we're gonna do advent calendars, and then I gotta start editing to get this out to you guys by 8 o'clock tonight. So I gotta get moving. But let me show you dinner first. So here it is. It's nice and chunky. I did end up putting, like I said, the ground meat, pasta. Looks so good. I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, so it's advent calendar time. So I'm gonna start off with the Hallmark. This is the Countdown to Christmas. And I guess, oh, they have them right in order, so you really don't have to look for this one. And hopefully this is an easier one to open, because you guys know these advent calendars are not easy. Okay, here we go. Just do it this way. And it's, of course, a piece of chocolate, which we'll be indulging in all season long. And then this one is another one from Aldi's. And this one has different truffles. I'll show you what's all in it in the back. It shows you all the different yummy, delicious chocolates and truffles that are in this one. So let's see. Number 1. Oh, that was nice and easy. And here this one is. Oh, this one looks delicious. Let's see if it says which one this was. Okay, this one is here. This one right here. So I'll be trying. I'm sure I'll be sharing one of these with Mark. Okay. Now, this is a really cool one. I can't wait to try this one out. This was also from Aldi's. And this one is a hard seltzer. So maybe while I'm editing this, I'll have one of these. Okay. Okay, this is Vista Bay, and this one is black cherry. Yummy. So I can't wait, you guys, to actually start using the wine advent calendar, and that will start, like I said, I think probably December 12th. So here you go. These are the advent calendars, day 1. Hey guys, I'm gonna wrap it up for Vlogmas day 1. I'm gonna start editing this video and get it out to you guys here in about 2 hours. So hope you guys enjoyed the first day of Vlogmas. This was so much fun today. Got so many more fun things in store for you guys. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. Good night.
Christmas is almost here. Let's toast to a very good year. It's just you and me, chilling right under the tree. Stay outdoors, a different kind of date. I'm all yours and I can hardly wait. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow. Your white smile is brighten up my day. Your blonde hair out of a fairy tale. Come along, start the show, having fun in the snow.